Don't make the typical rookie mistakes. They are sometimes made even by experienced traders. I will help you follow the right path. Channel Fix Profit here. My experience in trades is 10 years. I implement advanced effective tools in my work. And right now you can pick up such a tool for free and forever. It is a robot that reads the market and gives recommendations. It helps me act more focused and accurate. The link is in the description. Those who will not have time to take advantage of this offer will need to subscribe for a fee. If you have any questions, write to the manager in private messages, he will tell you everything. And now I want to show you how I do the boost. I will invest in each deal from $900 to $1,600. Currency pair pound, yen. 1 minute time frame. The frequency of data update in the robot is 1 minute. The robot gave me a recommendation, active selling, because 6 indicators are burning red, signaling the improvement of the seller's potential. By the way, to not miss new useful and motivating videos, click on subscribe to channel and on the bell. Put a like and write comments. It's important to promote the channel. It's important for our community to grow. And now I am preparing for you a high-quality and detailed course on technical analysis. It will be given to all partners. To become a partner, write to me in private messages at the link in the description under the video. In this course I will tell about the secret aspects of technical analysis and how to use them in practice. The course is absolutely free. Let's get something straight right now. Trading is not for the faint of heart. It's not for people who are hoping to make a quick buck by clicking a few buttons and crossing their fingers. Trading is for those who are ready to work, fail, learn, and rise again. And if that's you, if you're still here despite the losses, despite the doubts, then listen closely. Because this is your reminder that the game is not over. Not even close. First, let's address the elephant in the room, money management. You can have the best signals in the world, but if you're over-leveraging, you're playing with fire. The number one rule of survival in this market is simple. Risk only 1 to 2% of your capital per trade. This isn't a suggestion, it's the lifeline. If you're trading with $1,000, you should never risk more than $10 to $20 per position. That's not cowardice, that's professionalism. Ask any experienced trader, and they'll tell you, your edge isn't just in your strategy. It's in your discipline. Money management is what turns a losing day into a minor setback instead of a catastrophe. It's what keeps you in the game long enough to actually win. It's your airbag when the road gets bumpy, and it always gets bumpy. Now, if you're struggling, you're not alone. Everyone fails at first. Everyone gets burned. Everyone wonders if they're cut out for this. That's part of the process. Failure isn't a sign to quit, it's your initiation. It's the market asking you, how bad do you want it? Think about Tony Stark. The guy built his first Iron Man suit in a cave with a box of scraps. Michael Jordan didn't make his varsity team as a sophomore. Steve Jobs was fired from his own company. Beyoncé lost Star Search. What separates them from everyone else is that they didn't stop. They pivoted. They trained harder. They came back stronger. That's what you need to do. Every chart you read, every signal you analyze, every red candle you endure, that's all data. That's all experience. And experience compounds. Slowly, quietly. Then one day, it hits. Suddenly, you're not just guessing anymore. You're recognizing. You're anticipating. You're reacting like a pro. And it didn't happen overnight, it happened because you stayed. In the meantime, I continue to make steady progress towards my goals. The bot helps me not to miss important factors. I'm sharing my experience, it's not financial advice, I'm showing you how I do it. Folks, our team has a group in Telegram, where we post posts that help to understand trading in more detail. There is a lot of educational content that I personally use in practice. Subscribe, the link below the video. We also help with training. To chat about it, write our manager in private messages. The link is in the description. I personally conduct trading sessions and help with training for all participants, all traders from our community. I built this AI assistant to help you stay, to make the process smarter, faster, and more focused. My bot scans the market in real time, reading price movements, monitoring indicators, and identifying patterns you might miss. It's like having a second brain, one that doesn't get emotional, doesn't get tired, and doesn't miss the fine print. And right now, it's free. 100% free. For a limited time. In a month, it goes premium. So if you're serious about leveling up your trading, Grab the link in the description and get your hands on it now. No hesitation. I've seen people use this tool and quit their day jobs. No exaggeration. They put in the time, followed the rules, used the bot for consistent analysis, and they're now trading full-time on their terms. Not because of luck, but because they respected the process. But let's not sugarcoat it. Trading is risky. Just like starting a business. Just like investing in property. Just like launching a YouTube channel. Risk is everywhere. The key is managing that risk. Calculating it, not avoiding it, and the math is simple. If your account is $100 and you risk $1 per trade, you're pulling in about 80 cents per win. Scale that to $1,000, you're risking $10 and earning $8. That's the power of capital. The more you have, the more you can earn, without changing your strategy. So if you're in this for the long run, fund your account responsibly. Maximize your potential. Now, here's your action step. Comment below. Tell me how you manage your trades. What tools you rely on. What indicators give you that edge. Let's build a community of traders who actually talk strategy, not just screenshots of green trades. Like this video if you found value. Subscribe for more real-world trading insights. No hype, no fluff. Just the truth, the tools, and the tactics that move the needle. You weren't made to be average. You were made to adapt, to grow, to push forward, even when the odds aren't in your favor. So let's go. Let's build, let's trade, and let's win together. Think about this. With the rise of automation, financial companies are trimming the fat. Less guesswork, more precision. Less emotion, more logic. And you can ride that wave too. You don't have to trade like it's 2010 anymore. The game has changed. This isn't about being perfect. It's about being present. It's about taking the hits and still showing up. It's about outlasting the noise, the setbacks, the FOMO, and the fear. Because behind all of that, there's a rhythm, a flow, and when you find it, trading doesn't feel random anymore. It feels intentional. In the meantime, I have completed my work. You have already seen the results on your screens. See you later.